Hello guys! Today I'm gonna share stir-fry kimchi udon recipe. I just opened a new jar of kimchi and we're gonna make kimchi stir-fry udon with vegan bacon and Jenna's kimchi. We're gonna start off by frying some vegan bacon on a pan. Once your vegan bacon is nice and crispy, then we're gonna add some kimchi. The measurement is a bit difficult for me because I just use however I want. I say just add as much as you want. Oh, I recommend you to use some old kimchi. It doesn't have to be super old, but from my experience, it's always more delicious to cook with some old kimchi than fresh kimchi. If you only have very fresh kimchi, then you can also leave the kimchi at room temperature for like a day or two to make it fermented. And now we're just gonna stir fry our beautiful kimchi with vegan bacon. Smells amazing! While we stir fry vegan bacon and kimchi, we're also gonna prepare the noodles. So my udon noodles are pre-cooked, so I only just cooked it for like 1 minute so that it will be softer. Once the udon noodles are all cooked, we're gonna add the noodles into the pan. And then we add about 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice. For me that was enough, but if you like a bit saltier food, then you can also add some soy sauce. We are already done, guys. It's super easy with only 3 ingredients. Make sure to try because it's very good.